shoot. Well, it doesn't matter now.
You like it?
It's a boy dinner.
It's getting there, it's getting there.
This cinnamon roll is going to hypnotize you.
Bruh!
If you're having one of those days and feeling extremely lazy to cook, I got you. Today we're making viral lazy recipes. Don't forget to thumb this video. Finally guys, a Nara Smith recipe we can all follow.
This has been my favorite savory late night snack lately. It's almost 12. I need to go to bed, but I needed something savory and really sour. So I made this deconstructed salad. I do this quite a lot when I'm really lazy to chop up some lettuce. So I take some romaine, take it off, wash it. I also do this with Little Gem. I like a salad that holds that like cup shapes. Squeeze some lemon on top, olive oil, salt and pepper, and a load of Parmesan cheese. I didn't do that today because it was all out.
Welcome back to our kitchen. Are you guys ready? Well, you don't have to be because today is a very lazy episode.
We are not feeling it today.
We spent all our time getting ready and putting our faces on that we have like limited time to cook. So we gotta make these lazy recipes.
Extra lazy. Extremely lazy.
Extremely lazy. Nara Smith. Oh,
It's a deconstructed salad.
The comments in Nara Smith's video, oh my god, they crack me up. Like the comment section is way more entertaining sometimes.
Deconstructed salad. It's her late night snack.
Late night snack. It's almost bedtime and we needed a snack, so this is our salad. Honestly, I don't know if she was just joking or if she's real, but let's find out. For this, you're gonna need a piece of lettuce. Shall we make one each then? Because you know, I'm like so generous like that. I think I'll need like a kilo of these or something too. Guys, it's basically lettuce with some seasoning, so let's do this. Do we have to put olive oil on?
Oil, yeah.
The key to this recipe is that you have to be so lazy you don't want to even chop your salad. So lay your lettuce pieces down, pop some olive oil, squeeze some lemon.
Oh yeah.
And then salt and pepper. Yeah, salt bay it. Yep.
Voila!
Is that it? Was there any other secret ingredients that she added? Come on, like Parmesan cheese.
Oh, but she doesn't have Parmesan cheese.
Should we do Parmesan?
Yeah, let's do Parmesan. We're like not extremely lazy yet.
Yeah, we're not that lazy.
We're not that lazy.
Wait. No. I have the energy to grate some Parmesan, so let's do it. Wow, it actually looks elevated now. You know,
dude, you have so much effort because you even use a grater. You have to wash the grater.
I have to wash it later. Ah. Maybe not that lazy after all. It actually looks like something like a restaurant would serve. You know, like you go
for $50 the appetizer.
It's like, thank you for coming to my Michelin star restaurant. Here is your salad.
And $50, please. And then the waiter's gotta hand grade it too, so
you gotta have those like salt, pepper, grinder things. All right, that's it. That's it. Amazing. We just eat it.
Yeah.
I did buy an organic lettuce, so I feel like.
I don't know why this is so funny to me.
Cheers.
It's like I come to your house and you serve me this.
It's organic at least.
Thank you.
That's why it doesn't grow any bigger. Cheers. Actually tastes good.
It's a salad.
Parmesan cheese, definitely a must.
I don't mind it.
I actually really like it, but I just want more of it.
I mean, she made a few.
Yeah, she made a few. I mean, okay, guys, the taste is there. It tastes like a salad. Was it easier to make them salad? I guess, but we only literally made one bite each. Just make a bowl of it.
Actually, you might as well just cut it and then. Is it easier to cut it and eat it than having a whole?
I think, guys, just cut your lettuce because how many lettuce leaves can you fit on a plate, right? If you're really that hungry, make a whole head of lettuce and chop it. But you know what? The flavor's there. It's well seasoned. Parmesan cheese, that lemon. I can't complain.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just give it like, I want to give it a 2, but it's because I didn't make it enough. So I think it's 1 portion size. I need to make more, but taste is there.
I'm gonna give 2 actually, because the other one is because it's finally something that I can copy from now.
That's true. That's true.
Finally, I feel like on her level.
We're on her level, guys.
On par.
There you go. Make it. It's literally a 2-minute recipe, guys. Just make it. You don't even have to cut your lettuce. Just tear it like this. Ta-da!
Basically making the salad now.
Yeah, I'm just basically making this
salad.
Yeah. Doesn't even take me long, actually. Especially if you've got another pan. It's like, guys, we just made a $50 deconstructed salad that's not even deconstructed anymore. Constructed salad. See? Very easy. Make it. here's a 1 can recipe. Yes, I said can.
If you're feeling lazy to cook but still want a delicious meal at home, then try this viral Korean tuna recipe. It's packed with protein and only takes 3 minutes to make. On a tuna can, add soy sauce, sesame oil, minced garlic, and Korean chili pepper. Mix well together. If you top with sesame seeds, it's already delicious, but eating with rice and seaweed tastes even better.
We've made 1 pan recipes, now we're gonna make 1 can recipes. You just need a can of tuna. We have tuna flakes in water.
This is even better because you don't have to wash the pan.
I know, right? It's just like no washing up. I assume he drains it. We basically just season this tuna. So soy sauce, sesame oil, minced garlic, chili peppers, and then we just mix it in the can. I think that's the tricky part, mixing it well, because it's so chunky.
I feel like this is like some type of camping food.
If you're going camping, guys, this is what you can make. Oh, it was quite saucy. He was quite generous with his seasoning. That's the mix. Finally, you're gonna top it with sesame seeds.
Ooh.
Is that gourmet or is that gourmet?
Fancy can. Oh my god, there's probably some like bougie restaurant that does stuff.
I betcha.
Right? Like it's like...
If we ever opened a restaurant,
all your food is in cans.
we're gonna do a lettuce, we're gonna do this. He enjoyed it with some rice, so I'm gonna pop it on some seaweed. Got my rice. It's a student meal. Actually, like, I'm all for this. This is us hosting a dinner. It's just like, hi guys. I spent all afternoon cooking, preparing for this, and this is what you get.
Cheers.
Cheers. It's good.
Like you can't fault it.
It's a safe, lazy meal.
Yeah.
I don't even know if I need to describe what canned tuna tastes like to you guys, but it's very like Korean inspired. It's got a bit of a kick because of the chili peppers. The garlic gives it that like savory flavor, and then paired with rice and seaweed, honestly you can't go wrong. You could probably add a little bit more mayo if you like, but honestly it's very well seasoned already.
Yeah. I feel like the sesame oil makes it a little bit more bougie.
There's
like essence to it now.
It's a little bit more
layered.
Look at us.
Flavor layering. And then with the seaweed and rice, it's like a meal.
It's a meal, guys. It's a good meal. It's a good cheap lazy meal. Double thumbs.
Double thumbs up.
Did not even have to discuss this. It's
Double
just like
for the can.
yeah, we both like it. This is the lazy girl dinner. Let's boil some pasta. We have some heart-shaped pasta, guys. It's so pretty.
Because we're in love.
We're in love. We're in love with you guys. Show us some love and like this video. Our pasta is boiled. Now we just add the butter. I also saved some of that pasta water, so I didn't drain it completely.
Whoa, that's a big chunk of butter.
Kind of is, right? Oops. Buttery pasta.
Buttery pasta.
Then add in some garlic. And then you just season and cook it.
Doesn't Yong?
Look at this fancy meal mommy's making.
Girl,
He's like, what are you guys cooking?
Say hello. Hello.
Hello. What's that? That's you. Yes. Boop. We're just gonna elevate it a little bit because we're extra and we've got the Parmesan cheese out already. Desmond's curious. He's like, what's this camera?
I can't believe you're making me great.
Great PSG. You got to get over it. This is part of the therapy to get over that trauma. All right, let's try this.
I think it needs like some greens, man.
Too lazy to garnish it. All right,
We can throw.
let's try it. Desmond, you want to try one too? Mommy, try it first, okay?
It might be hot.
Yeah.
See, it's a heart.
Heart. Okay.
Cheers, that's
Cheers.
Cheers.
I mean, it tastes pretty good. Garlicky, buttery, and it's pasta. There's carbs.
I get why this is a girl dinner.
This is a girl dinner.
This is a girl dinner. Ooh, you know, like if you add some garlic powder.
Some chili flakes. You like it? I mean, he ate it. I guess it's a boy dinner too. You want more? Okay.
Oh, boy dinner.
Hot. No? Okay, kindly.
You like it? Oh, it's a boy dinner now.
It's a boy dinner. Woo, woo, woo. I guess you know what? It's a double thumbs, guys.
Yeah.
My kid eats it. Yeah, it's a double thumbs. Double thumbs up. He's doing pinky up, but okay.
Can't go wrong.
Can't go wrong. 90 seconds to make a dessert. Yes, please.
I've lost over 100 pounds by making desserts like this, and this is a 90-second cinnamon roll. First thing I'm using is some melted butter, a little egg. I like adding all my wet ingredients first, and vanilla. Give your wet ingredients a little mix. Now some almond flour, and this is gonna keep it low carb and gluten free. A little baking powder, so we have that rye, cinnamon, because duh, it's a cinnamon roll. You can use your sweetener of choice. I'm just using a little stevia packet. Now I'm just gonna give this a nice little mix, and this is just a little mixture that I made. It's a little brown sugar sweetener and cinnamon, and I'm gonna try to form like a little swirl. Now this is not going into the oven, it's going into the microwave for 90 seconds. And now while our cinnamon roll is cooking, I'm making a super quick little cream cheese frosting. This just has a little splash of almond milk and a little sweetener. Looks so good. Little snip, and now we frost.
This is probably the easiest cinnamon roll recipe we've ever seen, right?
Yeah.
It's all done in one bowl and you microwave it. So here I've got my melted butter. She used almond flour. I'm just gonna use my all-purpose flour.
Oh wait, I think we did wet ingredients first.
Oh shoot. Well, it doesn't matter now. Oops. I was just going off our list of ingredients.
Yeah, if you have an ingredient list, that's on your TikTok.
Sorry guys, I totally not a baker. Look, number one rule, you mix the wet ingredients. I've already mixed the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. Whoops, but it's all going in one bowl, so whatevs. Egg, baking powder. We're gonna add in monk fruit, vanilla extract, and cinnamon. Mix, mix, mix. I think we need more. What's the texture of hers? Ours is so lumpy.
Maybe that's why she makes the wet and dry.
Yeah. It's kind of runny, right?
Yeah.
Okay, looking a little bit smoother now. Not so lumpy, bumpy. To create that little swirl, we're gonna mix in our sweetener and then cinnamon powder. How to get a nice swirl? What if I use my fingers? Is that more precise?
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Seeing the vision.
Ish.
I feel like you should start from the inside.
I should have, but now it's too late. This is becoming more tragic. This is the hardest part. I feel like the lazy way, just sprinkle it on the top. Who cares about the swirl?
It's getting there, it's getting there. Ooh. Okay.
Picasso at work.
We just need a little bit in the middle. Oh yeah.
That's it. Let's microwave this for 90 seconds.
Yeah.
Guys, she looks questionable.
Grown out of the bowl.
Why is she so wonky?
She wants to get out. She wants to get out.
Yeah, she's literally trying to climb out of the bowl, guys. Like, look, it's like, it kind of looks more like a pancake or something.
But actually your swirl stayed intact.
I know, the swirl actually looked pretty good. It's like a vortex.
And we made a 90-second vortex.
It's like, you are getting sleepy. This cinnamon roll is going to hypnotize you. You're going to subscribe and like, and then binge watch all our kitchen chaos.
Cream cheese frosting now. Maybe that will save it. Cream cheese, powdered sweetener, and then the milk. I think you don't have to put so much. That's sour cream.
Wait, what did I put? Cream cheese is different. Cream cheese, oh, we don't have cream cheese in.
Bruh! Oh my god, we almost made this a sour cinnamon roll.
I was like, I have it.
Okay.
I have a cream cheese rolls. My brain farted. Completely farted. Brain fart, okay. Cream cheese, not sour cream, guys. Some sweetener. And a splash of milk. Splash coming right up.
It's too hard.
I feel like I'm doing like miniature baking or something. Like, does it look like frosting to you? Kinda. She actually piped hers on, right?
Yeah.
But guys, we're lazy. We're just gonna use a spoon and drizzle it. Good enough, right?
Let me see.
It's a bit lumpy, bumpy, but.
Now you're gonna decorate this.
How do I do this? Like, do I have to go over it? Is it swirled on top of the swirl? Ours looks tragic regardless.
With the.
Let's try to hand swirl
Try and
this.
swirl it, yeah.
Nope. It's become dots.
It's snowing!
It's snowing. Our swirls. Oh gosh, this is tragic.
Okay, whatever.
Whatever. At this point, I'm just gonna pour it on top. It gets into our stomach. It will probably look better than this.
Down! Cinnamon roll.
That is so ugly.
That's literally so ugly. Today,
When I invite people over, expect me to cook the finest, ugliest food. Guys, don't fight for the first bite, okay? We've got plenty of this to go around. Should I do like a aesthetic scoop?
yeah, please.
Oh my god, she's so dry. She's dense.
The comments are like good.
The comments like people
tried it and stuff.
I kind of feel scared to try this. Look how big this piece is. I'm gonna make a smaller bite. Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers. A bit eggy, but not that bad. I thought it'd be way more dry, but
It's not as dry.
Yeah.
It's quite moist.
Yeah. It just looks very dry.
But I don't really taste a cinnamon roll. It's like an unidentifiable.
It's got all the components of it. To me, it tastes really eggy. Okay, wait. Maybe you need to like.
Maybe you need that.
You need to
sugary
mix.
part.
Yeah, you got to get like the swirly part. It's better when you
swirly
get
part.
everything. It's a bit better.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you just gotta get the icing, the cinnamon, and the dough. Not the best thing I've ever made. I feel like some other mug recipes would be a little bit better than this, but
Yeah.
not terrible.
Not terrible. Yeah.
It looks way worse than it tastes, right? So surprisingly, don't judge a book by its cover.
Surprisingly okay.
I'm gonna give it a half.
Yeah.
That's a half. It didn't make full thumb. She does need a makeover.
Yeah.
She's alright.
But like kudos to the 90 seconds.
Yeah, you know what? 90 seconds.
And one bowl, I guess.
This is us. If we were a cinnamon roll, we'd be this.
We'll be trying to get out.
We'd be trying to
get out.
escape.
Trying to escape.
I must say that was probably one of the easiest, breeziest, beautiful, not so beautiful, what am I saying, recipes we've ever made. Not as chaotic.
Yeah.
There's really very low effort
Yeah.
to this. So, you know, pat ourselves on the back for that. If you guys want to see more kitchen chaos, as always, I have a whole playlist for you guys. Subscribe to our channels. You'll see Zen's name below. We didn't do a thumb routine.
Let's do a thumb
We gotta be like so lazy. It's like you gotta like look dead in the face
Don't
and be like, don't forget to thumb this video.
No, being
Very
lazy
good.
is forgetting to even do the thumb routine.
Oh yeah. Don't forget to thumb this video. We do have another episode of lazy recipes, not as extremely lazy as this, just a step up. If you want to be lazy but less lazy than, I don't know.
Then now.
If you're lazy but not extremely lazy, that's for you. And we shall speak to you guys next time.
Yeah.
Bye.